We will start with the game theory. In game theory, we have the sums in which we have different number of players. We have player A, player B. Both of them are playing certain games. These are their games, right? We need to find value of the game. The value of game is to be found by two methods, that is maximin and minimax. We apply these both. I'll again write here. We have player B, player A, A1, A2, A3, A4. Here it is B1, B2, B3, B4, and the question is 13, 8, 7 minus 9, 14, 9 minus 5 minus 5 minus 4, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 12, 5 minus 8 minus 2. This is our question. First we need to follow maxi-min strategy. Maxi-min. This means minimum of maximum. Maxi-min means minimum of maximum. First we will calculate minimum value. From that we need to calculate maximum number. Minimum. What is the minimum number from all this is minus 12. Minimum from this is 0. Minimum from all this is minus 8. Minimum of all this is minus 9. These are minimum numbers. From all this I have to select a maximum number, that is 0. Now we will come here. Here it is mini max. Always on this side we have maximin, and like this we have mini max. Mini max also maximum of minimum. Reverse of this, maximum of minimum. So first we will find maximum value. From that we need to calculate minimum number. Maximum from all this, maximum is 13, 14, 0, 5. That is maximum number. From maximum I need to calculate minimum. Maximum of minimum. From this the minimum number is 0. Maxi-min value is 0. Mini-max value is 0. Both are same. Then this number is termed as saddle point. The game in which we are able to calculate these values, that is saddle point, it is termed as pure strategy game. But the game in which we are unable to find the saddle point, that is termed as mixed strategy game. Saddle point means maximin and minimax value should be same. Therefore we can say value of game is equal to 0, and we also need to find strategy, right? That is the strategy we will find for two players. We are having two players, that is A and B, so we need to find the strategy for both of them. So I'll write optimal strategy for A and optimal strategy for B. For A, my optimal strategy will be like this, because A1, A2 is here, right? The place where I got my saddle point will be termed as 1 and rest all will be 0. 0 means he lost the game, and here the 0 number is at my saddle point. This means A player has won this game. So this will be 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0. My saddle point is at this point. This means I won this game, and if I won the game it is termed as 1, and wherever I lose the game that is termed as 0. Same way for B also. If you see for B values, my 0 is here. This means the saddle point is here. So rest of the things will be 0 and only here 1 will come. With this we are done with the sum. We will move to next question. My next question is again that only player A 4 games, player B 4 games. Again, first we will calculate maxi min. Maxi min means minimum of maximum. Minimum. What is the minimum value of all this? That is 200. Minimum of all this is minus 100. Minimum of all this is minus 20. Minimum of this is 50. Maximum of all this is 50. Here I need to calculate mini max. For minimum of maximum, so this will be maximum of all this is 200. Here it is mini max, so I first need to calculate maximum, then its minimum. Maximum of all this is 500, maximum of this is 400, maximum of this is 200, maximum of this is 240. Mini max, maximum we have calculated, from that I need to calculate minimum. Minimum of all this is 200. This is 200, this is 200, we got our saddle point. So our value of game is 200 and optimal strategy of A and optimal strategy of B. Optimal strategy of A will be 1 because my saddle point is here. So 1 and 0, 0, 0. For B, 0, 0. This is 200, that is my saddle point. It comes here. So this means B won this game. Okay. The next problem we will start. First we will calculate maxi min. That is, first we will calculate minimum number. Minimum of all this is 40. Minimum of this is minus 70. Maximum of these two is 40. Here we have to write mini max. Mini max means first we will calculate maximum number, then of that number we will calculate minimum. Maximum is 100, 80 and 40. From all these three, minimum number we have to find out. Minimum of all these three is 40. This is 40, this is 40, so we got our saddle point. So we will write value of game will be 40. Optimal strategy of player X. Optimal strategy optimal strategy of player X. For player X, this is the winning point because this is our value or a saddle point. So here it will be 1 and this will be 0. And for player Y, this is 0, 0 and 1. We'll move to next question. Again we need to calculate maxi min and here mini max. For maxi min, first minimum. Minimum of these three is 100. Minimum of all this is minus 50. Minimum of this is minus 10. Maximum of all these three is 100. For minimax, first we will calculate the maximum value. Maximum of these three is 200, 100, 120. Minimum of all these three is 100. So these both are same. So this is my saddle point. Value of game is 100. Optimal strategy of P. Optimal strategy of Q. Optimal strategy of P, 100 is at first point, which was my value of game. So this means P won this game. 1, 0, 0. And for Q, These are my values, that is 0, 1, 0. We'll move to next question. For this also we need to calculate value of game, maximin, minimax. Maximin, first we will calculate minimum value. Minimum of these three is 150, minimum of these three is -50, minimum of these three is 100. Maximum from all these three is 150. Minimax, first we will calculate maximum number. From these three, maximum is 220, 150, 170. From these three, minimum number is 150. 150, 150 is saddle point. Value of game equals to 150. Optimal strategy of A, optimal strategy of B. Optimal strategy of A. This means for A, my saddle point is here 150, so this means here 1, 0, 0. And for B, 0, 1, 0. Done.